Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a remarkable and versatile nut that has become a staple in diets around the world, the almond. Let's explore the fascinating journey of almonds, from how they are planted to their incredible health benefits. First, let's dive into the planting of almonds. Almond trees flourish in Mediterranean climates, where winters are mild and wet and summers are hot and dry. These trees need a distinct cold period during winter, known as chilling hours, to produce a good bloom. When it comes to soil, almonds prefer well-drained varieties with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Ideal soils are sandy loam or loamy, so it's best to avoid heavy clay or waterlogged areas. And diseases ensures a bountiful yield. Now, let's look at the nutritional profile of almonds. A 100-gram serving of almonds packs approximately 579 calories. They are rich in protein, offering 21.2 grams, and contain 49.4 grams of fat, primarily healthy monounsaturated fats. They also provide 21.6 grams of carbohydrates, with 4.9 grams coming from dietary fiber. Almonds are a powerhouse of micronutrients. They are high in vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant, and they also contain B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin. Additionally, almonds are rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. They contain beneficial phytochemicals, including antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, as well as plant sterols, which help reduce cholesterol levels. So, what makes almonds so beneficial to our health? First and foremost, almonds are fantastic for cardiovascular health. The monounsaturated fats and phytosterols in almonds can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol, contributing to heart health. Magnesium also plays a role in regulating blood pressure. For those looking to manage their weight, almonds are a great choice. They are high in protein and fiber, which help you feel full longer, potentially leading to a reduction in overall calorie intake. When it comes to bone health, almonds don't disappoint. They provide essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium that are crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Almonds are also beneficial for the skin. With their high vitamin E content, almonds help protect the skin from oxidative damage and support overall skin health. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, almonds can assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index. And let's not forget digestive health. The fiber content in almonds promotes regular bowel movements and contributes to a healthy gut. In conclusion, almonds are more than just a tasty snack. They offer a multitude of health benefits and have a variety of culinary uses, from raw and roasted to almond milk and beyond. Their cultivation is an art that rewards us with a nutrient-dense powerhouse that supports our well-being in numerous ways. So, the next time you enjoy almonds, remember that you are not just indulging in a delicious treat, but also nourishing your body in countless beneficial ways. Thank you.